Hi, today we're gonna talk about cooking dinner in less than 10 minutes as a key ingredient for making or creating a happy, healthy family. I had this patient who was not able to be on the program because, although she really tried, because of this. She would go to the kitchen after work to make some food for the family, and she didn't know what to do. She didn't know how to cook healthy. When she really tried, it took her forever. She needed to wash a lot of dishes afterwards. It was really not workable for her. And whatever outcome she ended up creating, her family did not like. So it was not working. So her solution was, let's eat out every single night for dinner. The entire family was not healthy. The entire family was not healthy. So she comes to me and she says, I know about healthy food. I know what I'm supposed to eat. I would love to exercise. I would love to do everything I need to do to be healthy and lose the weight and be a role model for my family. But I am terrible in the kitchen. So to me, that was a red flag, because nobody is terrible in the kitchen if they know what I'm going to tell you today. So here's what I told her. I told her, okay, here's how we're going to set up your kitchen so that you can cook amazing dishes, amazing full dinners for the entire family every single night in less than 10 minutes. It's going to take some work and some preparing so that when it's time to cook dinner, 10 minutes, done. Number one, every dinner has to have some kind of salad. So the easiest way to do salads is to buy pre-washed salads, green leafy vegetables, mixed vegetables, microgreens, whatever it is. You can find them almost everywhere. Get the organic variety and get a whole bag or two, depending on how big the family is. And get dressing that has no chemicals in it and very low in calories. No more than 40 calories per serving. A serving of dressing is about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so take a look at the label. About 40 calories would be okay, as long as there are no chemicals, if it's all natural. So that's it, and that's your salad. A couple of bags, some dressing, done deal. Okay, that's one. Item number one on the list. Item number two, you need to have vegetables, cooked vegetables, with the meal. The best way to do that is to blanch vegetables once or twice a week. Blanching is you grab cut up vegetables, also pre-washed, pre-cut, pre-everything. You boil them. You boil water. You put the vegetables in the water for about a minute, sometimes longer, sometimes a minute and a half, sometimes even half a minute. Doesn't matter. So you can play with this. And you take them out of the water, the hot water, and put them in ice cold water, which stops the cooking process. Then you take them out of the water, the cold water, put them in Ziploc bags and put them in either the freezer and or the fridge, depending on how long you want them to last. Okay? That's it. The best vegetables for that purpose would be the cruciferous vegetables, and that includes broccoli, bok choy, the Chinese bok choy, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Those can easily be found anywhere throughout the year, and that's how you do that. When you have these vegetables blanched, they will take about 10 minutes to finish the cooking process, which is what you will do when you start cooking your dinner. So that's item number one on the list for the dinner, not the salad. Salad is done. Item number two is beans and lentils. Canned is okay as long as they're 1, organic, 2, salt-free, 3, have no chemicals, none. Most organic canned foods have no chemicals, but make sure. Every meal, every dinner should have 1 or 2 of the vegetables and maybe 1 type of beans. Item number 3, simmering sauce. You don't have to worry about how to put this together. You do not have to worry about how it's going to taste. Go to the market and find organic, clean, low-calorie, high-quality simmering sauce. It's a sauce that you can simply add to the mixture of vegetables, blanched vegetables, and beans or lentils, you can add the simmering sauce and just let it cook. In about 10 minutes, it's ready. Okay. If you want to turn this into soup, you add broth to it, vegetable broth. And the broth should have no salt added to it and no chemicals, just organic. And that's it. Now you have soup. If you want to add anything else to it, let's say you want to add some kind of meat or chicken or something of that nature, if that's the kind of food that you guys eat, by all means. You can get those pre-cooked also, or you can get them to cook while simmering. Okay, either way. Every single day you can have a different dinner, different salad, different dinner. You can vary the beans, the lentils, and you can vary the simmering sauce, and you can vary the meat if you use different types of meat. One day it's fish, one day it's this, one day it's that, and that's it. It actually takes, prepping wise, less than 10 minutes. Then you just put it on the stove until it's finished, which normally takes a few more minutes, and you're done. It is amazingly tasty. It is a full dinner, and it's full of vegetables. That's it. And that lady, from that point on, had dinner out once a week. She was on the plan. She controlled what she was eating. We gave her, obviously, further instructions as to the exact type of beans, exact type of lentils, exact varieties of, all of these things. And she was able to be a master in her kitchen, and problem solved. And she did really well. Okay? Apply that. Thank you. Hi, this is Dr. Matar again. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe so you can get the future videos. If you're new to the channel, what I do here is I discuss cases of my most successful patients who struggled with diet and exercise, yet were able to achieve, at the end of their programs, a well, fit, and slim life. I want the same for you, so if you have any questions or comments, please send them my way. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.